welcome back to Rare Rose Media. This is Rose. Today we are in my house and we have a guest today. That's my husband and he's gonna cook today. Let's watch. Hello, welcome back to Rare Rose Media. This is Rose. Today we are gonna do a haul. It's Saturday, guys, and pollen is very high right now here in Houston. So it's like, if you have followed me, you know I have allergies to that, and I can be going outside too much right now until the medicine just starts settling on me. So let's start. We are going to start with the small one first. The small one first is gonna be from the 99 cents. I don't think I showed this in the last haul. This purse, well, it's like a big tot. They call this, I don't know. But this, hold on, let me move this stuff from here. Hold on, so I can have more room for my stuff. Okay, so y'all can see better. This is from Kylie Kendall. This huge bag. I think you can use it like a travel bag. The price is, I haven't opened it. The price, let me put it up on the thing. You see how it has that. I love big purses, guys. I do. It had the Kylie and Kendall right here. Original price was, can you see? $75, and I got it for, and you see it's Kylie Kendall. I have like the ring and the tripod in here. Kylie Kendall, well, right there it shows better. Kylie Kendall, and I bought this at the 99 cent store. And you can put it either, well, this side because you have that thing. And got it from the 99 cent store for $12. Oh, and I believe it has more stuff inside. Oh yeah, so it has this. So yeah, this is more like a traveling thing, or if you go to the gym, you can use this to go to the gym. We don't go too much out of town, but when we do, I'm gonna put this on use, trust me. And this is this is for the 99 cents. Next thing, now I've been going to Diddy's. I've been shopping a little bit more in Diddy's, but everything that I've been getting from Diddy's, I had to use it right away. I got me some scrubs from there. They got Grey's Anatomy. I already wore them. Grey's Anatomy were $5.99. Let me show you that. Okay, so this is the scrub top that I got. That's Grey's Anatomy. I got this from Diddy's for $5.99. Yep. So this one is, I already use it. Next thing from let's go to Diddy's. From Diddy's, I got, well, my husband got this for me at Diddy's. Let me see if it has the, yeah, it's right here. This, we're gonna change the decor at our restroom. So it comes with the shower curtain set with memory foam bath rugs, and also has the 12 shower curtain hooks. This one was $14.99. Now this one, guys, the flowers, I want to show you the picture. The flowers goes on top. You see? Can you see? It goes on top. It doesn't have that much flowers. That's one thing I like. And it goes with the comforter that I got from my bed. The comforter, I already put it in the bed, so I didn't record that before. I should have recorded as soon as I came in, but I don't. Sometimes I just wait and for to accumulate few things just to make a video for one thing. It just doesn't make no sense. So that's my husband. Pick the color and that design for that. And that's more springy. Also I got sorry guys. Also got this. That's the shower curtain liner. This one goes under the other curtain. It's a heavy gauze wig magnet for that, and that's for $3.99. So this one is just clear. I like to replace this at least, like, I don't know how often you're supposed to replace that. Me, I replace that every time when I change the curtain. In the season, I replace this one too, because even though you clean it, sometimes it doesn't get clean like you're supposed to. So that was from Diddy's. And from Ross. Yay, I am so excited for this. I cannot wait to put it to use. But I have to put it right here on my other side because I have so much stuff in my room. And this is the silicone other mitts set of 2 for $7.99. It has the butterflies and it's pinkish. I don't know, can you see the color? I appreciate the color more. But for the price, it's not bad. And this is plastic silicone. What do you say, silicone? And that's from Farmhouse Finds. Brand is Farmhouse Finds for $7.99 set of 2. If you hear a noise, that's my babies over there snoring. And this one, oh my god, look at this. I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna look after Easter. I think I might leave this table mat because it has butterflies, so that's why I'm just keeping that Easter in the spring. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it, but that is for the espresso. And what is price was, oh, hold on, $5.99. The price for this Ross was $5.99. Gorda, behave, be a lady, Gorda. And this is from American Tailor. Tailor? I can see. Okay, so $5.99. This is a little compared to the other coffee mugs. There are little. But those I really want them more for decor than for to put it to use, because we don't have the espresso machine. Well, do I need to buy one? Oh, look, and this is white, pinkish. Oh, I didn't pay attention to that. Can you see? Oh, cute. So this is from Ross. I feel like I'm moving you guys too much. So this is Ross. So husband is sponsoring. And then we go through the bag. And we're gonna start our Dollar General. I got this one from Dollar. Oh my gosh, this broke. Oh my god, it has to be. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I hate that. It's for $3. But it's not supposed to break. The R is not there. Oh, I hate that. And I got this one. Farm fresh eggs, homegrown fresh eggs, 25 cents per dozen for $3. So I got that one. I got the clock Quink moo. How the chickens do? Quack, 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 quack. Okay, that's my husband in the background giving us a noise for the chickens. And the pork. How the piggy do? Coin, coin. and the moo, the cow is moo. So this is
You crazy.
farm fresh. No, you crazy. People gonna think that we are like cuckoos in here. Farm fresh, milk, cream, butter, cheese, daily produce, dry goods. Look at how cute it is, right? I love that. I can't wait after Easter so I can start putting my farmhouse again like I haven't before. Farm fresh, country market, bacon, ham, by the pound and smoke at the farm. My husband and I should get us a farm so we can grow pigs. I know pigs are so dirty.
Nobody gonna help him.
Exactly. Like you say, ain't nobody gonna help him. So okay, so that's one. Let's go to the other one. I'm so disappointed that the R broken. And this one, I love the butterflies, guys. Look at how beautiful they are. I told my husband when I die, I want to become a butterfly. He said, no, because they're going to eat you so fast. I said, maybe be a butterfly this high in the mountains where nobody can get in there. So here you can put a tea light in there. And this one was $3. Okay, what am I gonna do with all the decor when you change the season, right? So most of the time what I do when I change the season, I just pack it up, put it in containers, and I put it away. And I might not use it the following year, but it's gonna be the following year. So that's from Dollar General. I have another big bag from Dollar General in here. This is more I found the R. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, I'm so disappointed. This right here. I just had to glue it. I hate to have broken things. I do. I really do hate that. Especially when I just bought it. Okay, so let me get over there with my other bag so I can show you guys. Can y'all see so far? Let me move the tripod. Guys, everybody is like, that, you know, that I started my YouTube. They've been giving me tripod. My son got me this new tripod, and sorry guys, and I've been using it. And my cousin-in-law, my friend Tracy, she got me another one, which I love it too. I use all of them pretty much. And this is for the salad for $1. Now this one, it is gonna be in my dishes, go on my dishes today. Tub, so I can put it on my dish stuff. And I also got, if you watch the video this week for the Dollar General, there are 2 plates. There were 2. No, it's a pack of 4 plates for $1. And they are the same color. I call this color like salmon color. I'm gonna put it right here. Right there, yeah. And I also got this set of 4 bright tumblers. They're smaller. They're 4. But these things, they go so fast here in my house. Oh, sorry, Gorda. And I got bigger tumblers. They're 2 for $1, but they're like the same color. I like to have everything pretty much like the same color, either white, red, or blue, or this color, or what you call beige cream. And I have this small tumbler for my daughter. She asked me for one from like the one from Little Stick or Hello Kitty from Burlington. Now those are very hard to find, guys, so it took me months to find mine. So meantime, I just got her that, and I also got Keep Life Simple, and $1 for this. I should do a donation, after holidays, or sell them. My best friend said it's a family in McAllen, Texas, in the valley, that they buy their stuff for Christmas and everything, and after Christmas they sell everything. And I got this one, Hello Spring, to go on the tier tray. This is $1. And I got this one because it's gonna match this Simply Bliss. So Hello Spring and Simple Bliss. Can you see? No, y'all can see. Okay, so I guess I have to hold it so y'all can keep up. And I also got this. It says, let everything you do be done with love. And I love because he had the flower accent. And also I got this one. Oh, I didn't say how much it was the price. So it said learn from yesterday, live for today, and hope for tomorrow. You can hardly see this, but each one of them, they were $3. So this is my little mini haul for the week. We've been buying stuff, but it's like for cooking or for stuff that I need right away, that I need to put up, or we need to put it to use right away, like soap, dishwasher. I got a dishwasher for the office, and I also got me some notebooks, just to put the notes, and more coffee from Starbucks from Dollar General. Dollar General has that coffee from Starbucks for, I got it for $7.50 because it was on sale. So I don't know. It was the caramel kind. And pretty much that's all for today. So now we are gonna go with what my husband is cooking, and we'll be back. And my husband is cooking today. What is the name of the dish?
This is gonna be beef stew.
It's gonna be beef stew. So he had the meat in here, and he had the vegetables right here.
Letting the brown stir. Let it get a little brown. Let it get brown. Stir it out to that top right there. I got beef broil in there. And we're gonna slide in that Riviana.
For how long?
For about 2 hours.
To make the beef tender.
Right. And then after that, bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Huh? And then on this spot for the stew, he has potatoes, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower. Where's the cauliflower?
3 kinds of bell peppers.
3 kinds of bell peppers.
Yellow, orange, and red. I also have some peppers. Just a little.
Oh. And also some cactus. We got the cactus from this one. Just a few of them. And he put already the meat in here. Looks yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. He's getting the brown stuff to make the gravy, right? He's shaking his head. He said, We have La Gorda over here watching us. Right, Gorda?
Yeah, she is.
Perfect mundo. Right, Gorda? Ay, mi feet. I stole a few pieces.
Okay.
Okay, so we put it.
Yeah, we cooked already.
So it's gonna go to the oven for 2 hours, and then look at my birds. I just love that. And we'll be back. We're gonna have Spanish rice, pinto beans, and the Texas toast garlic bread. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, baby, and the food is ready.
Yes, it's ready.
So look at that. Then you have some beans, baked beans, and the toast bread, garlic toast bread, and we have the Spanish rice. Yummy, yummy. Well, let's see. And guys, this is my plate. Spanish rice, baked beans, and the beef. I don't know what is the name of that, but my husband is laughing. And this is beef stew, and this is the garlic bread. So, bon appetit, guys, and I'll see you the next time. Bye. Wait a minute, something is wrong in here. My plate? His plate. Look at that.
It's your own play, guys.
Whatever. Gorda. Gorda. Coochie, coochie. And this is pretty much the haul for this week. So I hope that you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a new viewer here, just please subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment, and hit the bell for a notification, so that way you'll be notified every time when I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching again, guys, and I'll see you the next time.